Hi everyone, welcome back to It's Dwight Cooking Show. Today I'll be giving you a fish head soup recipe. Now guys, I've been doing some fishing and I've been collecting my fish head for this recipe. So here I have a few fish heads and a list of my ingredients, not much. So guys, I want you to join me in the kitchen for this lovely recipe. Let's do it. Okay guys, here I have my pot of water that I'm going to prepare the fish head along with some herbs to be boiled. Let's get this show on the road. So guys, here I have a few garlic cloves that I'm going to just crush and add to the pot. Just want to get rid of the shell off it. Just want to boil them with the garlic and some of the herbs, or pimento as we call it in Jamaica. Just gonna get rid of this. Okay guys, there we go. Okay guys, there's my fish head being boiled. So guys, when next you see me, I'll be taking it off the stove, separating the broth from the fish head and get the fish head prepared for this lovely recipe. Continue to watch guys. So guys, what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna start preparing the ingredients while my fish head is being boiled. So I'm gonna cut up the pumpkin. I'm gonna use a smaller knife to peel it. You know, pumpkin is kind of difficult to peel, so you just want to take your time and careful not to let the knife slip. Pumpkin is one of the things that I always find difficult to peel because the skin is like it doesn't want to come off, and then I lose a lot of the pumpkin in the process. Reason why I use a smaller knife is that I can maneuver through the grooves of the pumpkin better than the bigger knife. So guys, you just want to take your time. The pumpkin is the hardest to deal with, so I try to deal with it first. So guys, when next you see me, this will be all peeled and cut. Yes guys, here's my pumpkin. I'm not making a lot of soup, so I'm just using, I might cut a piece more. But then next is my potatoes. I've already washed them, so I'm just gonna peel. As I said, I'm just gonna prepare everything, so that's when the time comes for me to add all these ingredients to the pot. I don't have to be going crazy on peeling them, trying to get them ready for the pot. Please remember guys to like, share, subscribe. Just gonna clear this area. As I said, not making a lot, so just enough to fill the belly. Now guys, I don't know if you want to sit and watch me peel all these vegetable and herbs, so I might cut out most of it, or I just might just do it and let you guys watch in real time. Alright guys, for the scallion, just cut the ends off Everything is washed already, guys. Now we just wanna cut down the middle and just cut. I love to use a smaller knife at times because easier to maneuver, and sometimes the smaller knife is a bit sharper. You know, just want to cut them up in any shape and size you wish to. I'm just doing them big. Now guys, for this recipe I'm gonna make some spinners. What we call spinners is dumpling made from flour. Now guys, look at that. As I said, everything is washed. I just didn't peel the ends off. So for the carrot, I'm gonna use the big knife, or the bigger knife, to slice the carrots. I'm gonna give some more space. I just want to do everything so you guys can see. Oops, that one is gone. In no particular, as I said, no shape. I might cut them down the center after I make these big cuts. I'm just gonna get rid of the pieces here. Not gonna cut that one up yet, guys. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna cut down the center. You know, I love to see the colors in my recipes, guys. Always try to incorporate a lot of colors in my recipes. It shows up the recipe. Okay guys, my scallion. Sorry for the crowd on the board. Now guys, you don't have to cut up your scallion. You can also just put it in the pot whole, but I choose to cut it up. Okay guys, there you go, a few of my ingredients. Now guys, for the rest of my ingredients I'm going to do off camera, but thank you guys for watching this part. Okay guys, it has come to that point now that I'm going to take the fish head out the pot and leave them to cool and debone them. Woo. Okay guys, I have my spoon here. Remember, fish is breaking apart, guys, because you get it at the texture that you need it to just debone it. As I said, the broth we'll be using ooh, it's falling apart already, guys. Look at that. So guys, the fish head is a bit hot right now, so I'm going to set it aside to cool while I season my pot and add my vegetable and my herbs. So let's do this, guys. Okay guys, I'm ready. Okay guys, how could I forget? I don't have any fish noodles, so I'm going to use cock soup. So guys, I'm going to add my ingredients in no particular order. Don't mind the stuff falling. It happens in the kitchen from time to time. Okay guys, set this dish aside. I'm gonna give you a sight in the pot right now. So now guys, I'm gonna season the pot. Description I'm gonna leave below. My salt, my black pepper, and you just wanna stir that while you're adding it. Guys, I love my soup spicy, so I add some cayenne pepper. The rest of my allspice. Some Maggi all-purpose seasoning. And just give that some time to boil. I'm not gonna add my noodle as yet, nor my pepper. So guys, I'm gonna debone the fish because right now it's about cool. As I said guys, I'm gonna debone the fish head. See these big bones guys? Just want to separate them from the skin. See that? There's a lot of meat in the head. Try and take the bones out. I mean, some of the bones will get away from me, but they're big bones, so it will be easy to detect them when you're eating. Oh, it's falling apart. I have to take my time, take out the chunks of meat out the head. Whoa, look at that. This is a very tedious task guys. Look at the cheekbone, the meat in the cheek. This is a very tedious task guys, so bear with me while I'm doing this. Another cheekbone. See guys, it just falls apart. There's nothing much left on this. All the meat is off the head of the first one. Now to the next one. Whoa. Still a bit hot guys, but not as hot as before. So guys, when next you see me, I'll have everything ready to add to the pot. Okay guys, this is what I got out of it. So I'm gonna add my noodle now to the pot and my pepper. Just gonna add one noodle. Drop in my pepper and just give that a stir. As I said guys, I'm gonna make some dumpling to add to this recipe. Now I don't want the fish to boil out because that's the whole aspect of this video, the fish soup. So I'll add the fish when I know that it is close to completion. Now guys, as I said, I'll be adding some dumplings. So here I rub up a little flour in the time being, which I'm gonna add to the pot. We call these spinners because of how we prepare them. just spin them in our hand middle and just form the dough. You know, sometimes because we can't really have the time for make all those dumplings, or it just easier, guys. It just spin and drop. Mainly for these recipes like fish soup, manish water, and all those Jamaican dishes. Guys, for those who out there that love this video, please guys, you can share it with your friends, share it with your family. You can even prepare this recipe. I know you have a lot out there on YouTube, but I add my twist to it. As I said, now guys, I'm going to add the fish when it's almost to completion, because of course, you know, the fish is already cooked. So what I'm gonna do when I'm adding it to this now is to just make it blend in with all the herbs and spices. Guys, I add my corn to the pot because soup won't be soup without your corn. Okay everyone, it's time to add the fish. I'm trying to locate where I put my spoon. Okay, I found it. Just stir that in. So guys, I'm gonna leave that now to make the final run. So guys, when next you see me, you want to join me at the table. Okay guys, as I said, my finishing dish. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Of course, you see a piece of fish chunk right there.